What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are gonna be picking up my baby back from the shop. For those who you don't know, my car recently got hit. I took it to the shop and I've been on a loaner car since then. So today is the day that the car is finally fixed. They called me yesterday, leave me a message and say, hey, listen, your car's ready, come pick it up. I know you'll be happy. So I couldn't pick it up yesterday, so next day early morning I'm over here. We're just gonna go to a gas station, get the loaner car with some gas so we can return it, take a look at the other car and see what they have done with my baby, because I honestly miss my car and I don't like this car one bit. There's a few things that I like about it, but versus the things that I don't like about the car, there is a lot that I don't like about the car. So yeah, we will see you when we get to the gas station and the place to pick up the car. Ooh, that is a nice Focus RS. With that, the car is full. So yeah, we're just gonna go right now to pick up my car, and I'll see you guys over there. We just arrived over here to return the rental car and get my baby. So I'll see you guys in a minute. My baby is back. As you guys can see, it's already fixed. Gap is no longer there. Paint is matching this one. And I got a back bumper that is not cracking here. So yeah, we got the baby back. We don't have to watch it. As you can see, it's watch. The rims are shiny. It looks brand new. Sadly, this front piece, they couldn't get it fixed because it's already deep within the paint. So this will have to get the bumper replaced, but it was longer before. I didn't show it before because I don't think that it was gonna be that they were gonna try to fix it or nothing, but this was like really big. It's like my finger big. It was big. And that is it with today's video blog. I hope you guys enjoy this. I know it's a really short video, but it was a quick update on my car. We finally got my baby back. So if you like this video, just remember to hit that like button, comment anything that you want to see in the future, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like content like this, and share the video if you like. And I'll hope to see you guys on the next video blog.